Yeah, online children, I've shared my screen. Is it visible? Online children, I've shared my screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Those of you who are familiar with Heron's formula can take the question and start working. So I think Julia and KNMS, so you can listen. Okay. The others can take the question and start working on it. Okay. So this chapter, Heron's formula, we'll be learning how to find the area of a triangle given the length of the three sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll be learning how to find the area of a triangle given the length of the three sides. Okay. The formula goes like this. No. No. Thank you. Thank you.
What happened, ma'am?
Acknowledging. So right. Okay. What is perimeter? The sum of the three sides of a triangle. So semi-perimeter would be the sum of the three sides divided by 2. Okay. Triangle. Let's call the sides A, B, and C. So the perimeter is A plus B plus C. Okay, I don't want echoes. A plus B plus C is the perimeter. Divided by 2 is the semi-perimeter. And that's given by the letter S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Semi-perimeter is equal to the sum of the three sides divided by 2. Now the formula to find the area of the triangle by Heron's formula is given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus B square units. Those who have not learned it in school, just make a note of this. The name of the chapter is Heron's formula. Yeah, draw this triangle, name the sides A, B, and C. Quickly. Yeah. Right? Okay. So when you're given the length of the three sides of the triangle, okay, so you do not know the altitude corresponding to any side. See, we know this formula to find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so when you know the base and the corresponding altitude, Then you can find the area of the triangle using the formula half base into height. But here you only know the three sides, the length of the three sides. But still you can find the area using this formula, which is called the Heron's formula. For that, you need to first find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, okay, which is the sum of the three sides divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. Divided by half is different. Divided by half means into 2. Divided by 2, not divided by half. Okay. Into half. Yeah, okay. So find the semi-perimeter, and the formula is square root of S into, that is semi-perimeter, into semi-perimeter minus one side, into semi-perimeter minus the second side, into semi-perimeter minus the third side. All right, that's it. So let's take up a question. Okay, so here, listen to me. The lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. The lengths of the sides of a triangle, they are in the ratio 3:4:5. And its perimeter is 144 centimeters. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. So to find the area of the triangle, so see here, we only know about the sides, right? So how do we find area using Heron's formula? Now, what are the requirements for the Heron's formula? You need to know the lengths of the three sides. You need these values. You need the values of S, A, B, and C. Correct? In the formula, what do you have? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So to substitute in the formula, you need the values of S, A, B, and C. So you should keep all this ready. Only then you can write the formula. You shouldn't write the formula first and then search for the values. Where is S? Where is A? Where is B? Where is C? So you must keep these values ready, because you know in the formula you have S, A, B, and C. So what is the value of S? For that, you need to know the values of A, B, and C. A, B, C, and then you should find S. Okay. So you should say, let the sides of the triangle be 3x, 4x, and 5x, because they're in the ratio 3:4:5. They're in the ratio 3:4:5. So let the sides be 3x, 4x, and 5x centimeters. All right. Now we are given that the perimeter is 144. So perimeter of the triangle is 144, which means the sum of the three sides. The sum of the three sides is 144. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 144. That makes 12x equal to 144. X is equal to 12. 144 by 12. X is equal to 144 divided by 12, which is 12. So now find the sides of the triangle. What are the sides of the triangle? 3x, 3 into 12, 4x, 4 into 12, 5x, 5 into 12. So like this, you find the side of the triangle. So now you have the values of A, B, and C. You have the lengths of the three sides of the triangle. You have the values of A, B, and C. So when you have the ratio, what is that ratio? It's a ratio of the three sides. The three sides are in the ratio 3:4:5. So let the sides be 3x, 4x, 5x. Now, when you add the sides, what do you get? Perimeter, right? When you add the three sides, that gives you the perimeter, which is 144. So find X, yeah, find X. And then find the three sides. Okay, so now you've got the values of A, B, and C. Next, what to find? Semi-perimeter, S, which is, because you know the perimeter here, you can just do perimeter by 2. Perimeter by 2, semi-perimeter, 144 by 2. Okay, 72. Now substitute the values in the formula. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is S. Semi-perimeter is 72. A, B, C are the three sides of the triangle. Any order you can say. See, you can take this as A, this as B, this as C. The order is not important. Okay, so any order, but of course this is S. So substitute in the formula, and after that, how do you compute? That's very important. So now, after substituting and simplifying, that is after subtracting, these are the numbers you have. Now remember, you have to come out of the square root. We'll have to bring the numbers out of the square root. So what you do, you write 72 as 2 into 36. Write this 36 as it is. Break down the numbers. Don't multiply the numbers and get a big number. Then you have to spend time finding the square root of that big number. Don't multiply. Don't find the product of these numbers. Okay. Instead, break down the numbers into their factors. If you multiply, you'll get one big number, and then you have to spend time finding the square root of that large number. So break down the numbers here. So just observe the numbers. You see that 72 is 36 into 2. So write 72 as 2 into 36. Write this 36 as it is. 12, write it as it is. Write 24 as 2 into 12. Now what do you observe? Now you have 36 happening 2 times, 2 happening 2 times, and 12 happening 2 times. So 1, 2, 112, and 136 comes out of the square root. How do you get rid of the square root symbol? From two equal factors, one comes out. From two equal factors, one comes out, right? So from two twos, one two out. From 236, 136 out. From two twelves, 112 out. Now see, you don't have the square root symbol. We've got rid of that. Now multiply. This is the area of the triangle. Next, we need to find the height corresponding to the longest side. You need to find h. Okay, you need to find h. See, what are the, now go back to the formula half base into height. Half base into height is equal to area, right? What is the area? 864 is equal to, you need to find the height. So h you don't know. That means you should substitute for b. Find the height. So h you do not know. Area is 864. H we don't know. We have to find b. Which base to take? The three sides of the triangle can be taken as the basis. The three sides of the triangle can be taken as a basis, but which one to take? Now, which height do you want? You want the height corresponding to the longest side. So, which is the longest side? 60. So, you should take the basis 60. So, half into base into height is 864 area. So, half into 60 into h is equal to area. Work that and find the height of the altitude corresponding to 60 centimeters. Yeah, work this. Completed working. Completed?
Yes.
No. Why we should take 60 as the base? Huh? Yeah, because we have to find the height corresponding to the longest base, longest side. Longest side is 36, 48, 60. So 60 is the longest side. So we should take, now we found the area of the triangle, right? 864. For the same triangle, when you find the area using half base into height, also you'll get the same answer, 864. We have, see, we only know the three sides of the triangle. So using Heron's formula, we found the area. Now, if you equate this area to half base into height, that is, if you find the area of the same triangle using half base into height, you'll get the same answer, 864. You should get the same thing, 864. So half into base into height will also be 864. So half into longest side, so 60 into height. So when you do this, you're finding the height corresponding to 60 centimeters. So what can find height? So what is 28.8 centimeters? That's the altitude corresponding to the longest side. So see here, what it means is, supposing this is a triangle, and this is what, 36, 48, and 60. You have found this one, this altitude you have found. It's 28.8. The length of this altitude will be different. For that, you should take the base as 48. The length of this altitude will be different. For that, you should take the base as 36. The altitude on the shortest side will be the longest. The altitude, see the length, see, this is long, but the side is short, 36 centimeters, but the altitude on that is bigger, meaning, so the theory is the altitude on the shortest side will be the longest altitude of the triangle. If you want to find the shortest altitude of the triangle, take the longest side as the base. If you want to find the longest altitude of the triangle, take the shortest side as the base. Now in this triangle, 60 centimeters is the longest side. The altitude on 60 centimeters will be the shortest altitude. There are three altitudes, right? The 60 centimeters is the longest side, but the altitude on 60 centimeters will be the shortest altitude. 36 centimeters is the shortest side, but the altitude on that will be the longest altitude. Here they've given find the height corresponding to the longest side. So longest side, so take 60 as the base. Yeah, try this. Slightly move closer, no? Move it slightly closer. Yeah. Yeah. Your addition is wrong. Should 131. Yeah. The chapter is new for some of us, so I'll present the answers. Those who want can take help. So the others have already learned in school, can do it by themselves. So what's the first step, Surya? We have to find the semi-perimeter. Here in the question, we know the values of ABC. Yeah, that's given. In the earlier question, ratio was given. So we have to find ABC. Here ABC given. A is 11, B is 60, and C is 61. So we have ABC. What are the things we need? We need A, B, C, and S. So ABC we have. So we have to find S. How do you find S?
60.
Yeah, you learned it in school already. So you can do by yourself. Yeah.
We need to add all A, B, C divided by 2.
Divide by 2. Okay, so we get S is 66. Next, what's the formula to find the area of the triangle? Square root of S into
Into A plus minus A minus B.
S minus A. Square root of, yeah, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. That's a formula to find the area. Square root of S into S minus A S minus B into S minus C square units. Substitute the values and then see how we proceed after this. There's 6 and 5 here. No? So we write 55 as 11 into 5 and 66 as 11 into 6. So that way what happens? We have 2 5s, 2 6s and 2 11s. So 1 5, 1 6, 1 11 out of the square root. From 2 5s, 1 5 out. Right? And we find the area. And then we need to find the altitude. So we found the area. Okay. Now we have to find the altitude of the smallest side. So smallest side, which is the smallest side? There's the smallest side. So take the base as 11 and find the corresponding altitude. So see, find the altitude. So which one to take as a base? Smallest side is the base. 11. Yeah, good.
Completed this.
Yeah. Okay. That looked like 880. So I just had a second look. Done, is it? Understand? Rahul? Clear? Okay. Finished? Oh, okay. From your book, Aditi. Okay. See this question. Find the percentage increase in the area of a triangle if each side is doubled. Find the percentage increase in the area of a triangle if each side is doubled. Okay. See here. Okay. So let A, B, and C be the sides of the original triangle and S be its semi-perimeter. Okay. Let A, B, C be the sides of the triangle and S be the semi-perimeter. So S is what? A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. Now you will ask me, why did you cross multiply? I'll tell you why. So now when you cross multiply, you get 2S is equal. When you cross multiply, you get 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. All right. Okay. Now let delta. What is this? The symbol is read as delta. Let delta be the area of the original triangle. Now what is delta given by? Area given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus B square units. See, we don't have any numbers in the question. So you cannot find the numerical value for area. Okay. So how do we begin the answer? Let ABC be the sides. Let S be the semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. When you cross multiply, you get 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, we're just having that result for some reason. I'll tell you why later. Now, what's the area of the original triangle? It is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This we have called it delta. So when we say delta, it is the area of the original triangle. When we say delta, it's the area of the original triangle. Okay. Yeah. So let delta be the area of the original triangle. So what is delta? Delta is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. Now the sides are doubled, right? In the new triangle, the sides are doubled. So let 2A, because A is doubled, 2A, B is doubled, 2B, C is doubled, 2C. So let 2A, 2B, and 2C be the sides of the new triangle. See, when the sides are different, semi-perimeter also is different. Now, how will you get same S as the semi-perimeter? Sides are different. So semi-perimeter will be different. So let S dash be the semi-perimeter. So then what is S dash? The sum of these three sides divided by 2. The sum of these three sides, 2A plus 2B plus 2C divided by 2. Now 2 common in the numerator, 2 common in the numerator, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you have S dash is equal to A plus B plus C. See, 2 common no, in the numerator. So 2 and 2, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you have S dash is equal to A plus B plus C. But what is A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C is 2S. So that means S dash is equal to 2S. So have this result. Okay, so S dash is equal to 2S. What is the semi-perimeter of the new triangle? It is 2 times the semi-perimeter of the original triangle. S dash is equal to 2S. S dash is the semi-perimeter of the new triangle. 2S. S, it means twice the semi-perimeter of the original triangle. Yeah, S dash is equal to 2S. So we are here. Now we'll have to find the new area. Let the new area be called delta dash. Let the new area be called delta dash. So how do you find the new area? Square root of semi-perimeter S dash into S dash minus 2A. Because that's the side of the new triangle. New semi-perimeter and new sides. Okay, so delta dash is equal to square root of semi-perimeter S dash into semi-perimeter minus one side. So S dash minus 2A into semi-perimeter S dash minus 2B into S dash minus 2C. Okay, so now S dash we got here 2S. S dash is 2S. So it is 2S into 2S. Wherever there is S dash, use 2S. Here, wherever there is S dash, use 2S. So 2S, 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 2S. The others are the same. So now 2S. So here 2 is common, right? You can bring 2 out. Bring 2 out. Correct. See here, 2S minus 2A. So bring 2 out. So 2 into S minus A. Here also 2S minus 2B. So 2 into S minus B. 2S minus 2C. 2 into S minus C. And all this is multiplication. See, 2S into, see, this is 2 into S, this into one, this bracket into this bracket into this bracket, all multiplication. See, it's all multiplication here. That's why you should write 2S into 2 common into S minus A into 2 common S minus B into 2 common S minus C. Now, how many 2's under the square root? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's under the square root. So 2 2's will come out. 2 2's will come out of the square root. Now, what remains under the square root? This S will remain. Then this S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. All this remains. From 4 2's, 2 2's out of the square root. So whatever remains under the square root, write them. So what remains? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And what is that? That's delta. What's that? What is this? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That's delta. That's delta. So what is delta dash? It's 4 times delta. It's 4 times delta. That is, the area of the new triangle is 4 times the area of the original triangle. The area of the new triangle is 4 times the area of the original triangle. Now we have to find the person. See, the question is to find the percentage increase. Okay, so for that you need to first find the increase and then the percentage increase. Increase and then the percentage increase. So what's the increase? Increase is new area minus original area. New area minus original. What is new area? Delta dash. Minus original area, delta. What is delta dash? It's 4 delta. It's 4 delta minus delta, which is 3 delta. 3 delta is increase. And how will you find the increase percentage? Increase by original into 100. Increase by original into 100. That's the formula. Okay, increase is 3 delta by the original area delta into 100. Delta and delta gets cancelled. 3 into 100 is 300%. Is the increase. So the sequence is like this. The sequence is you should find the original area, find the new area, find the increase in area, and then the increase percent. Okay, original area, new area. Then new area minus original area is the increase in area. And then the increase percentage, which is found using the formula increase in area by the original area into 100. Into 100. All right, let's just see it again. Please listen. So first we have to find the area of the original triangle. So let the sides be A, B, C. Let the semi-perimeter be S. So what is S? A plus B plus C by 2. When you cross multiply, 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Call that result 1. Okay. Now we haven't still found the area of the original triangle. So let delta be the area. So delta is equal to square root of the formula. Okay. So this is the area of the original triangle. We don't have any numbers to substitute. So we just have to write the formula and leave it there. Okay. Now new triangle. Let 2A, 2B. Why 2A? Because the sides are doubled. See the question. Find the percentage increase in the area of the triangle if each side is doubled. So 2A, 2B, 2C. And let S dash be the semi-perimeter. So how do you find S dash? Should add all the three sides and divide by 2. So when you take out 2 common in the numerator, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So S dash is A plus B plus C. But what is A plus B plus C? 2S. So S dash is equal to 2S. S dash is equal to 2S. So now we'll find delta dash, which is the area of the new triangle. Square root of semi-perimeter S dash into semi-perimeter minus first side S dash minus 2A. Semi-perimeter minus second side S dash minus 2B. Semi-perimeter minus third side S dash minus 2C. But we know S dash is 2S. So wherever there is S dash, use 2S. Okay. And then you can take out 2 common here, 2 common here, 2 common here. That's how it becomes into 2, into 2, into 2 here. Like 2 common, no? So 2 into S minus A. 2 common, 2 into S minus B, 2 common, 2 into S minus C. Then we have 4 2's under the square root. So 2 2's come out. And whatever remains, write that. So now this is nothing but delta. This one is delta. So you get 4 delta. So delta dash is equal to 4 delta. The area of the new triangle is 4 times the area of the original triangle. So now we have the two areas. Now find the increase in area. New area minus original area. 4 delta minus delta. 3 delta. Now the increase percentage is increase 3 delta by the original delta into 100. So here delta and delta gets cancelled. 3 into 100 is 300. Right? Are you writing it again? Oh, you've written, okay. Please use a handkerchief. Okay. Cancel delta and delta. Also, you must cancel delta. Delta gets cancelled in the numerator and denominator. Okay. So this is homework. Similar question. Find the percentage increase in the area of a triangle if each side is, no, I'll share the questions, homework questions I'll share. If it's quadruplet, meaning it becomes 4 times. Quadrilateral, quad, 4. Okay, so if each side is quadruplet, that means you should take this 4a. Similar working. Oh, you saw the answer. Okay, so similar working, follow the same procedure. All right, but since the sides are quadruplet, ABC original sides, 4A, 4B, 4C new sides. Here doubled, so 2A, 2B, 2C. 4A, 4B, 4C. That's all. The percentage answer will be different. Yeah. What's the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle?
3s.
Root 3 by 4 into a squared. Root 3 by 4 into a squared. Is a formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So if each side of an equilateral triangle is tripled 3 times, if each side of an equilateral triangle is tripled, find the percentage increase in the area of the triangle. Okay. I'll explain and then you can write down. Please listen. Now, since we have a special formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle, you don't have to go with Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a s minus b. You don't have to do that because we have a special formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 into side square. So see here. Okay. So this is for the original triangle. Okay, let the side be A. So what's the original area? Root 3 by 4 into side square, which is root 3 by 4 into A square. And let this area be called delta. All right. See, this is about the original equilateral triangle whose side is A units. Whose side is A units. How do you find the area? Formula is root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, side square. All right. So root 3 by 4 into A square. And we call this area delta. Now about the new equilateral triangle, the side is 3A because tripled. The side is 3A. Okay, 3 times A. Okay, now what's the new area? New area will be root 3 by 4 into new side square. Root 3 by 4 into new side square. Okay, so root 3 by 4 into side square. So, thank you. Okay. Okay, root 3 by 4 into new side square. So root 3 by 4 into what's a new side? 3a. So 3a the whole square. 3a the whole square. So what is 3a the whole square? 3a into 3a. 3a into 3a. 9a square. 9a square. So root 3 by 4 into 9a square. All right. Now you have to write this using root 3 by 4a square. So what you do? What you do? Can you see root 3 by 4a square here? Write that in a bracket. The rest of it you write outside the bracket. See, we know that we have assumed root 3 by 4a square as delta. Till here we understood. Now after this, what? 3a into 3a is 3 3s are 9, a into a is a square. Now what I'm saying after this is write root 3 by 4 into a square in the bracket. Write the remaining things outside the bracket. So see root 3 by 4 a square. Put this inside the bracket. Now this 9, no, write it outside the bracket. See there. So delta dash is equal to 9 times delta, because what is root 3 by 4 into a square? It's delta. So delta dash is 9 times delta. That is the area of the new triangle is 9 times the area of the original triangle. What is delta? Original area. What's delta dash? New area. So what is new area delta dash? It is 9 times the original area. Yeah. So what's the increase in area? New area delta dash minus original area delta. What is new area? 9 delta. 9 delta minus original area delta. 8 delta. So percentage increase will be increase in area by original area into 100. Increase is 8a. By original is delta. Increase 8 delta. By original is delta into 100. Delta and delta gets cancelled. 8 into 100 is 800%. All right? Right? This is going so far. Shreya, Yarni, and Harsha, I'll share another link. I'll tell you when you have to leave this meeting. So at that point, leave the meeting and join the meeting using the new link which I'll be sharing. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. That's the only thing which was not disturbing. No. Yeah. Okay. Completed all of these?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Online children? Finished? Taking down this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No. Okay. Okay, I'll